Hey there! Ever thought about making expense reports less of a hassle? Today we're gonna show you how to do just that with our Zoho Expense automation tutorial. We will tackle about making reports on a schedule, automating tasks, and making your reporting game way more efficient.
Zoho Expense can generate and submit reports automatically on behalf of employees, saving their time. To enable report automation, go to Settings in Admin View and select Report Automation under Automation. You can configure automated reports for all expenses and corporate card expenses. Hover your mouse over all expenses and click on it, or click on the Configure Now that will appear instead of More icon if the automation hasn't been configured earlier. In the report generation frequency, select how often it should take place, on a weekly or monthly basis. Select if reports should happen on a specific date or day. Then, specify expenses for how many days before the scheduled day have to be included in the auto-generated report. Configure report name using placeholders. To view more options of which, click on Insert Placeholders. Check the box below if you want users to receive reminders to create expenses and specify how many days before the report is generated the reminder should be sent. You can add up to 3 reminders. Next, set up report submission preferences. Should reports be submitted automatically after they are generated, or you want your employees to submit them manually? If reports are submitted automatically, you can enable reminders for users to submit report manually in case report auto-generation is failed. Check the box and specify how many days before the reminder should be sent. Enable report generation even if the user has no expenses within the report generation period, if necessary. You can also skip report automation for specific roles. Check the box and select the roles from the drop-down. Save.
Thanks for joining us. If you're into saving time and want more tips, remember to like and subscribe. Have questions or ideas? Send them over to knowhow@customerization.ca. See you in our next video.